Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Uphold versus Coinbase trading platform. In this tutorial we will explore the key features and differences between these two popular cryptocurrency trading platforms. First, let us start with Uphold, a cloud-based financial platform that allows users to buy, sell and hold various assets including cryptocurrencies, commodities and fiat currencies. Uphold is known for its unique feature of allowing users to trade multiple assets from a single account, making it a great option for those who want to diversify their portfolio. On the other hand, Coinbase is one of the most well-established cryptocurrency trading platforms, allowing users to buy, sell and store various digital currencies. Coinbase is known for its user-friendly interface and robust security measures, making it a great option for beginners. One of the main differences between Uphold and Coinbase is the range of assets offered. Uphold offers a wider range of assets, including cryptocurrencies, commodities and fiat currencies, while Coinbase is primarily focused on cryptocurrencies. Another key difference is the fees charged by each platform. Uphold charges a spread-based fee, which can range from 0.8 to 1.8%, depending on the asset being traded. Coinbase, on the other hand, charges a flat fee, which can range from 1.49 to 3.99%, depending on the payment method used. In terms of security, both platforms have robust measures in place to protect user accounts and assets. However, Coinbase is generally considered to be more secure, thanks to its advanced encryption and two-factor authentication. When it comes to user experience, Uphold and Coinbase both offer user-friendly interfaces, making it easy for beginners to navigate and start trading. However, Coinbase is generally considered to be more intuitive, with a simpler and more streamlined interface. Ultimately, the choice between Uphold and Coinbase will depend on your individual needs and preferences. If you are looking for a platform that offers a wider range of assets and a more advanced trading experience, Uphold may be the better option. However, if you are looking for a simple and secure platform that is easy to use, Coinbase may be the better choice. In conclusion, Uphold and Coinbase are both reputable trading platforms that offer a range of features and benefits. By understanding the key differences between these two platforms, you can make an informed decision and choose the one that best meets your needs.